BitMart Crypto Exchange Review. My usage experience. BitMart is a globally recognized crypto exchange designed for traders at all levels, offering an impressive selection of features. Whether you're a beginner exploring cryptocurrency or an advanced trader managing a diverse portfolio, BitMart has something for you. One standout feature is its vast range of cryptocurrencies. Over 1,000 options, including popular coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and emerging altcoins. The platform is user-friendly, with an intuitive interface that simplifies trading, even for newcomers. BitMart supports spot trading, futures trading, and staking, allowing users to earn passive income through competitive APYs on supported assets. Security is a major focus, employing multi-layered protection including two-factor authentication, cold storage for funds, and frequent security audits. During my experience, transactions were smooth, withdrawals were processed in a timely manner, and I found their KYC process to be straightforward without unnecessary delays. Fees on BitMart are competitive, especially for high-volume traders who can take advantage of tiered discounts. One of the unique features I enjoyed was the BitMart Launchpad, which allows users to participate in early-stage token offerings. It's a great opportunity for those interested in being early adopters. The mobile app is equally impressive, responsive, fast, and packed with all the functionality of the desktop platform, ensuring you can trade on the go without compromise. For those who value fiat on-ramps, BitMart supports buying cryptocurrencies with various fiat currencies via credit debit cards and bank transfers, which adds to its accessibility. Customer support is available through a ticketing system and live chat, and I found their responses prompt and helpful. However, like any platform, it's not perfect. Some users report occasional system slowdowns during peak trading hours, though I personally didn't face significant issues. In conclusion, BitMart is a reliable, feature-rich exchange suitable for a wide range of users. With its extensive asset selection, solid security measures, and versatile tools, it's an excellent choice for trading, staking, and discovering new tokens. If you're looking for a robust platform that balances simplicity with advanced functionality, BitMart might be exactly what you need.